Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed guide on replacing the motor of your Dyson SV23 vacuum cleaner. In this video, we'll walk you through each step, ensuring a smooth and successful repair. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a Torx screwdriver, T15, a pair of pliers, a soft cloth for cleaning. Start by ensuring the vacuum cleaner is unplugged. Safety first. Begin by removing the dustbin from your Dyson SV23. Press the release button and set it aside. Next, we'll access the motor compartment. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws on the back cover. There are typically 4 screws that need to be taken out. Place them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently pull off the back cover to reveal the internal components. You may notice some dust accumulation. Take this opportunity to clean the area with a soft cloth. This not only helps with visibility but also improves the performance of your vacuum. Now, locate the motor. You'll see that it is secured in place. Using the Torx screwdriver, loosen and remove the screws holding the motor. There are usually 3 screws that need to be taken out. Remember to keep these screws safe as well. With the screws removed, gently wiggle the motor out of its compartment. If it feels stuck, use the flathead screwdriver to carefully pry it loose, but be cautious not to damage any surrounding parts. If you find yourself unsure about the process or lack the necessary tools, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our trained technicians can help you assess the situation. Next, take your new motor and align it with the motor compartment. Ensure that the connections are properly aligned before securing it in place. Replace the screws using the Torx screwdriver, tightening them securely but not over-tightening to avoid damaging the plastic. After securing the motor, it's time to reattach the back cover. Align it properly and secure it with the Phillips screws you set aside earlier. Make sure everything is tight but again, avoid over-tightening. Now, before we proceed to test the vacuum, make sure to clean any remaining dust from the dust bin and the exterior of the vacuum. A clean vacuum performs better and lasts longer. If you don't have the tools or prefer a hassle-free solution, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This means no calls, no travel, and you can get a quote before repair. Once everything is in place, plug in your Dyson SV23 and turn it on. Listen for any unusual sounds. If everything sounds good, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the motor. In summary, replacing the motor in your Dyson SV23 can be a straightforward task with the right tools and guidance. If at any point you feel overwhelmed, don't hesitate to reach out for professional help. Thank you for watching this step-by-step tutorial. Happy cleaning! Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.